DeepSeek officially finalized its aggressive pricing structure by rendering its temporary 75% promotional discount permanent for its flagship 1.6 trillion parameter mixture of experts model, DeepSeek V4 Pro. Let's look at the raw numbers because the economic asymmetry is staggering. DeepSeek's baseline API operational rates are now structurally locked in at 0.43 cents per million fresh input tokens and 87 cents per million output tokens. This is dropping to just 0.003 per million tokens for cached input hits via aggressive prefix caching. By stark economic comparison, OpenAI's premier GPT-5 model charges $5 per million input tokens and $30 per million tokens. That gives DeepSeek a standard 11.5 times cost advantage on input and asymmetric 34 times discount on output workflows. So independent benchmarks indicate that DeepSeek V4 Pro slightly trails Western frontier models in open-ended abstract reasoning, but its extreme cost reduction fundamentally targets high-volume multi-agent enterprise systems that routinely consume millions of sequential tokens per task. DeepSeek is explicitly signaling to enterprise buyers that a model does not need to achieve absolute benchmark dominance to win market share. It simply needs to be operationally sufficient at a fraction of the cost. This comes even as the Chinese government expands its exit ban restrictions to target top AI professionals working inside private sector technology firms like DeepSeek and Alibaba. It's based on the strategic national value of their knowledge. At the same time, Huawei is proposing a radical architectural workaround to bypass US chip sanctions by linking all the widely available 7 nanometer and 14 nanometer chips together using advanced high bandwidth packaging to match the throughput of Western monolithic silicon. So for founders, anchoring your technical architecture to DeepSeek's API structure renders multi-step agent operations economically viable in environments where GPT 5.5 or Claude Opus would completely kill your margins. If you are building persistent background workflows, continuous database synchronization layers, or large-scale document parsing agents, this layout shifts the economics entirely. And keep in mind that in the US, there is still geopolitical restrictions against Chinese frontier models. So if you plan on selling into the government, you need to rethink your model usage.